And now this is like the key to the Narnia, the forest. This is, and bro, I'll show you this earlier, this up. I'll show you this up here. There's literally a vine that works as a grapple here. It's so perfect, and no one goes here. So awesome. Ooh. And then we get up here and literally there is a rappel, a natural rappel or rappel. You see? What a great rappel, man. Let's go. Woo. We made it up. Phew. Yo, let's keep her going, lads. Let's keep her going. Yo. When we go up here, there's an extra little crevice that takes us up, and like we can see a awesome waterfall, like an isolated waterfall that no one knows about. People probably know about it, but no one really comes here because it's off the beaten track, and it's literally, it's not mainstream. It's the side stream. You know, and I just say, fuck the mainstream, bro. Fuck the mainstream. It's dirty as fuck. Do your own shit, man. Go where no one else has gone before. Yo. We gotta keep going. Oh. And so we made it just about halfway. I'll show you the view. So we gotta climb up here, man. We gotta get up here. So let's do it. Yeah. Little pathway up here. Let's get it. Keep my eyes peeled. Hey, and we can see the waterfall. Plants got me. The plants got me. It's got me. And we can see in there that little white bit, little water. And so, they see me walking. They're not hating, cause no one's here. No one's ever here. Check out this rock. It's got like a face. It's like, arr. It's like, arr. Yo. Well, we made it. Made it to our nice spot. Probably gonna hit a meditation here. The water's perfect. It's just like a one of them online subliminals, but the real thing. So awesome. What a mini adventure. You know, us humans think that we're so good just because we are complex. But number one, that complexity could just be our failure to understand ourselves and actually be really self-aware, you know, because a lot of people, including myself, are avoidant of their own shadow, you know what I mean? How can we truly be self-aware and so great? And my other point is, you know, we think we're so great because we're so complex, but fuck, wouldn't it be beautiful to just be a tree? Like, would it not just be beautiful just to be a fucking tree? Like, look at these dudes, man. They just get to chill in this beautiful place. They just get to chill, man. I think, you know, like, it's a funny saying, but it's true. It's humans think they're the smartest animals, but they're the only ones on this planet that pays to live, that doesn't live for free. It's fucking stupid. We've been scammed. We've actually been scammed. The dreams and the life that they sell us, it's all fucking bullshit. It's all bullshit. All that is now. I am that I am. Namaste, my friends. Namaste.